according to me, friendship is, for me, it's all about the loyalty.
I would say the main difference between a male friendship and a female friendship in general,
और जब सामने वाले को कुछ इश्यूज हो रहे हैं या कुछ भी हो रहा है, गुड एंड बैड एनीथिंग लाइक दैट,
तब वो प्रेजेंट ही
तब
नहीं है।
प्रेजेंट ही नहीं है। Hello guys, welcome to our podcast channel One Mic No Filter. This is Pallavi.
And this is Nishtha, and we are your co-host for the podcast. We are college friends, so we decided to do our first podcast, first episode on friendship.
So let's entertain together how well we know each other by asking some questions to each other
About friendship. yeah.
about friendships.
So let's get into the video.
Okay, so first question, what do you think about friendships? What are friendships according to you?
I think friendships, in what phase of life I am in right now, I think friendships are really important. I mean, in no matter what phase of life you are in, friendships बहुत important होती हैं
हाँ.
to just navigate life.
Yeah.
You know, with people you can trust, you can rely on, and everything. But yeah, I think that's about it. You know, you really want people who just makes your life is tough, circumstances are difficult, are different for everybody. So I feel the people, like the 5-6 people, or even if you have 2 friends for that matter, जो आपकी life easy करें
Yeah.
by just being there, by making you laugh,
By giving you emotional support. Yeah.
I think that is very important, and that really defines friendship.
Yeah. Okay.
So what according to you is friendship? Like something that you want to add on to my answer.
Yeah, according to me, friendship is, for me, it's all about the loyalty and the trust you give to other person on you. कि you can trust on me, you can easily share your thing with me, or like all that jazz. For me, yeah.
Okay, so what do you think? What was your first impression of me? Because we are friends, so let's start there.
That was
That
something.
is some fun. Now
Yeah.
we are getting into fun.
Yeah.
बोलो.
First time when I saw you, I was like, कि she's not my type. Basically, I'm telling it very bluntly. Like, I was like, कि she is not my type. She's maybe she's very cunning or smart type girly, and because you know me, how
But the world doesn't know you. So
Yeah.
explain.
I get connected to people, like even get not connected, I get attached to people very easily, very smoothly.
That's true.
So that's why I don't want to connect to anyone out there, because I am very emotional, guys. I can cry. I'm just a crybaby. You can say me that. So
Both of us are.
Yeah.
Actually.
so for me, like you are like someone good in studies, और आज लाइक कि पढ़ने में भी अच्छी होगी और स्मार्ट तो है, मगर मेरे टाइप की नहीं है. और बेसिकली जेन्युइनली आई वांट टू टेल दिस टू सॉरी टू ऑल माय कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स. जब मेरा फर्स्ट कॉलेज टाइमिंग था, तो आई वाज लाइक कि जितनी भी क्लास में लड़कियां थी, आई वाज लाइक कि दे ऑल आर सॉरी गाइज, कोई भी मेरे टाइप की नहीं है. क्योंकि एक तो मतलब मैं लोगों से जल्दी से कनेक्ट नहीं होना चाहती, क्योंकि मैं इमोशनली बहुत जल्दी अटैच हो जाती हूँ, फिर मेरे को इश्यूज हो जाते हैं इसलिए भी. एंड मेरा किसी से वाइब नहीं मैच होता था, क्योंकि मैं एक तो ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं करती थी, और जो भी करती थी वो बस इट्स लाइक कि नोट्स दे दो, नोट्स दे लो, या दैट्स ऑल. बिकॉज मैं बहुत ओवर शेयरिंग करती हूँ, तो मैं वो भी नहीं करना चाहती थी. दैट वॉज समथिंग जिसकी वजह से मैं लोगों से कम कनेक्ट होना पसंद करती हूँ, क्योंकि इफ आई गेट स्टार्टेड देन यू कांट स्टॉप मी. बट इट्स फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस.
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन ऑफ मी पूछा था तुमने, अपनी कथा बताई है.
बताया ना कि आई थॉट यू आर कनिंग. आई एक्सप्लेन इट इन गुड वर्ड्स.
you really thought I was cunning?
Yeah, I thought like she's some smart and like that. एक तो इतना लेट भी आई थी तुम.
That's true.
I was like कि होगा कुछ मेरे को क्या ऐसा.
Nice.
But later on,
Even my first impression of you was not that good.
I know that.
I mean, I was the one who like joined college
Late,
सबसे
very
late.
late. Yeah.
very late. Like I was 1 month late. So already like friendships form हो गई थी तुम लोगों की, कहीं ना कहीं ग्रुप्स बन गए थे कहीं ना कहीं. तो उसमें आके then even though like not you but even the other girls were not that welcoming.
Yeah.
है ना. तो I will say that her and 3 others were not welcoming at all. They were literally like, if I can say, they were bitch. At times they were literally very bad. Like I have cried.
Yeah,
I
that was
remember
very.
I have cried. I was having lunch alone every single day for the first 1 month, I think.
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to anybody. I was only interacting with the CR of the class. Obviously, because he was the CR, he is the CR of the class, so he was providing me notes and everything. So that was like the entire conversation I was having. And but then because we later realized that we both live in the same area in our cities, so we started traveling together to college.
Yeah.
And then automatically we sort of built a bond. Then we started talking about things. Then we talked about
Then we talked
everything in our
things.
lives. Then we sort of, yeah, obviously we formed a very natural bond.
Yeah.
Very naturally we formed a bond that, you know, because obviously if we were in college for 10 hours, then we were automatically spending 12 hours together. You know, 1 hour coming and going. So yeah, that was pretty good, I would say.
Okay. Tell me, according to you, what is the main difference between the male friendships and the female friendships?
I would say the main difference between a male friendship and a female friendship in general is that if we are talking about just male friendships, then they wouldn't sit and talk about the issues or what they're dealing with in life currently. They would not.
Some
talk
kind
about
of
that.
emotional things.
They don't talk
They don't
about
talk,
that. They will
yeah.
only like talk about the fun parts or ये हुआ वो
हुआ.
हुआ, ये करते हैं वो करते हैं. They are more inclined towards that. And I think male-female friendships are very, I think, you know, like in a male-female friendships, a female teaches the guy to be more sensitive, more caring towards people, you know, maybe
More present at the place.
yeah, exactly, all of those things. And in a female friendship, you know, if you find great female friendships, like a great one, then you know that you can rely on to her for everything in life.
Yeah.
For emotional support, you want to go have fun, you want to go watch a movie, you want to go shopping. It's everything under like with
Under one umbrella.
person.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, and of course dynamics are very different for each friendship. Like I don't think, you know, like if I am behaving a certain way with you, then I maybe wouldn't be behaving the same way with other friend of mine.
Yeah.
तो dynamics बहुत different होते हैं, but I think end of the day pure intentions matter.
Yeah.
What do you think? Like ये बताओ, who in a friend circle, like if you are friends with 10 people at the same time,
Yeah.
तो उस ग्रुप में ऐसा कौन होगा जिससे like what qualities or what you know you think कि वो actions उस इंसान, you know, मेल फीमेल कोई भी हो सकता है वो, कि तुम उससे तुम्हें लगता होगा कि okay, like this person could be a friend.
लाइक मेरे लिए तो बेसिकली ये एक क्राइटेरिया ये है कि तुम थोड़े से मतलब जेन्युइन होने चाहिए हर
लेकिन
चीज़
वो
में.
तुम्हें पता थोड़ा चलता है, like you will never know somebody's intention for you. मतलब ये तुम कैसे बता सकते हो कि
नहीं, जेन्युइन विद अदर पीपल. लाइक कि अगर नॉर्मल चीज़ें भी हो रही हैं तुम उसको थोड़ा लाइक
काइंड हो.
हाँ काइंड होना चाहिए. और ये नहीं कि इफ़ यू आर लाइक टॉकिंग टू मी तो तुम बहुत अच्छे से बात कर रही हो या बात कर रहे हो, एंड अगर तुम किसी नॉर्मल इंसान या मतलब किसी भी अननोन से बात कर रहे हो, बेसिकली नॉट नॉर्मल एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट जस्ट, मतलब किसी अननोन से बात कर रहे हो तो तुम्हारा एक जो टोन डिफरेंट है, या फिर यू आर बिहेविंग लाइक कि ओ माय गुडनेस मैं तो ये सब जानती ही नहीं, मुझे तो ये वो दैट इट वो होता नहीं है कि पिकनी टाइप गर्लीज, आई डोंट लाइक दैट एट ऑल। वो ये नहीं होना चाहिए बिल्कुल भी मेरे लिए तो।
और ऐसी एक चीज़ जो होनी चाहिए, लेकिन जो मतलब कुछ ऐसा जो तुम देख के या ऑब्जर्व करके बता सकती हो, ये तो बहुत ही एक्सटीरियर हो गया।
लाइक मेरे लिए ये भी है कि सामने वाला चाहे कोई भी हो,
हाँ।
मेल और फीमेल, ही और शी शुड बी इमोशनली अवेलेबल जब उसके फ्रेंड्स को ज़रूरत पड़े।
हाँ, मतलब वो पूरा आई एम इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल वो वाला थोड़ा।
हाँ वो, और मतलब कि ऐसे तो मतलब एकदम अच्छी सी फ्रेंडशिप है और ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, और जब सामने वाले को कुछ इश्यूज हो रहे हैं या कुछ भी हो रहा है, गुड एंड बैड एनीथिंग लाइक दैट,
तब वो प्रेजेंट
ही नहीं है, या फिर प्रेजेंट हो के भी अनबॉदर्ड है, ऐसा
तो
है।
फिर वो तो बिग रेड फ्लैग इन फ्रेंडशिप।
ये एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। ये मतलब
मैं
you
तुम्हें
are-
2 रेड फ्लैग बता रही, ग्रीन फ्लैग एक भी नहीं बता रही हो।
you know me, I am the girly who is just shaped by the friends.
अच्छा, ओके, शेप बाय फ्रेंड्स। वन गुड थिंग दैट योर फ्रेंड्स हैव टॉट यू।
My friends have taught me, yeah, sometimes be cunning. You know, they taught me how to be cunning in life by being cunning with me.
No, okay. So one thing that your friends have taught you, those who have stayed, मतलब जिनसे तुम्हारी अभी भी बात होती है एंड यू आर गुड टर्म्स विद देम, उन्होंने तुमको क्या सिखाया है?
I would say that be emotionally available for your friends at that point
When they need you.
when they need you. Don't be that unbothered type things ki if you are enjoying together then we are friends and all that jazz, and when she had a bad time or anything like that, so you are like ki, I don't give a anything about her situation or something.
बट कभी कभी मेरे को ये भी लगता है कि कभी कभी यू नीड योर फ्रेंड्स टू सफर अलोन।
Yeah, but
मतलब नॉट इन अ बैड वे, लाइक ऐसा नहीं कि आई डोंट केयर,
Leave her and-
हाँ मतलब ये वाला नहीं, बट देन देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन यू कांट सेव योर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग,
yeah,
यू नो, लाइक
lessons तभी मिलते हैं जब
एग्जैक्टली आप अकेले उसको
होते हो और
वो कर
चीजों
रहे
को
हो,
हैंडल
समझ-
टैकल करते हो, देन यू
Exactly.
लर्न हाउ टू
Deal with
टैकल
life.
पीपल, टैकल थिंग्स और
वही
एवरीथिंग।
डील विद थिंग्स बेटर।
या
लेकिन मतलब
no, I am telling that be emotionally available when she needs you, or like ki babes I want to talk to you, and you are like ki I am with my family, friends and all that jazz, and you are just ignoring.
हाँ वो तो नहीं करना
वो
चाहिए।
ये I am telling that.
अच्छा, वन
Okay,
फ्रेंडशिप,
tell me one thing that you like about me. What do you like about me? Like how good I am for you.
आई थिंक
Or one benefit of me, you can say.
I think honestly, you know, like us becoming friends was very unexpected.
Yes.
Lekin I think the good thing is that we have come to a place, even though we don't know each other for very long, like it's been only 2 years abhi,
Yeah.
like not even 2 years completely, but I think
Touch wood.
but like literally touch wood, but I think we have shared things with each other jo I don't think anybody else knows.
Even I can say that ki we are just a pole apart.
We are very different
Yeah.
very different from each other.
Yeah.
No, but we are very different also, but we are very same also in some ways. We are not exactly very
Like,
different.
I am telling about the environment.
Like,
like,
our family and
yeah,
everything.
yeah,
Yeah,
just a-
yeah. We are we come from very different
Backgrounds.
backgrounds, but we vibe very like very very well. But yeah, I think one good thing about you is, yeah, I think I know for a fact that if something happens, or if somebody has said something or done something, I know I can pick up the phone and just ask you directly. Like वो beating around the bush नहीं करना पड़ेगा मेरे को कि ये वो like
Yeah.
we can like talk to each other like directly एकदम
कि तूने
कि
बोला
ये
हुआ,
हुआ
हाँ.
like did you mean that
या
या फिर ये क्यों हुआ, then dissecting everything.
then
That's
getting
our
a
favorite time
worst
pass.
conclusion ever.
Exactly, मतलब
We
blind
are the
leading the blind.
best example of blind leading the blind. She leads me.
मतलब it's been crazy, right? Like how do you think you want people to experience you as a friend?
Everyone wants कि लोग उससे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस करें.
I don't want that.
I want that. I want कि
I want that too. Obviously, like I'm not that person यार तो.
According to me, I want that if I am friends with anyone, I'll be loyal to my friend. And
No. Don't over explain. Just अच्छा give me 3 words जिसमें it will summarize कि how people experience you.
Okay. Funny,
हाँ.
beautiful and cute.
फ्रेंडशिप पे बात हो रही है, मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों पे नहीं.
I am not a materialistic thing.
Okay. Third.
Third, they can come to me whenever they need me. If you are good friends with me. Not I am not telling you everyone just come to me and tell you things.
समझ गई हाँ.
Yeah. That's it. Same question from you.
Okay, so I think 3 things would be. One again would be funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am funny. Like I'm quite funny, I would
Yeah.
say. Then second would definitely be emotionally available. You know, like I will be there. Like if you need to talk about anything, like you know, like I am that person. Like we talk a lot, so yeah. Then third would be, I think just somebody you know you will have a good time with.
Funny means.
No, funny is like making you laugh,
Yeah.
but having a good time is like, you know, going out and
Just go
enjoying.
out with her, guys. Don't expect her to cook something and give you. Otherwise,
I can order, guys. That's
no one can save you from that.
I can order food ना.
Yeah.
तो फिर
Don't cook, na. I'm telling
अब
that.
I can't do तो क्या कर सकती हूँ मैं?
एक दिन इन्हें बहुत प्यार आया था मेरे पर, उन्होंने मेरे पर मेरे लिए केक बनाया. ऐसा केक बनाया था ना, तब से केक खाने में
नहीं.
खौफ आता है मुझे.
मैं बताती हूँ what happened. I did everything correctly, but the house help. She thought that the cake would have like baked, and so she turned the gas off. Like, and it is a cake like the recipe, and it cannot like I cannot do it in the oven or anything. Like it has to be like the old-fashioned way, like cooker में उसको अच्छे से वो करके and everything. So she thought that हो गया होगा and everything. So she just turned it off, and it did not bake properly. Like there were parts of the cake. I mean, the inside was still like. Okay, now the next question. Next thing is, what do you think are the kind of friends you hate?
I don't like people who just over exaggerate themselves. Like, I can do this, I can
Sure.
do that for you, and all that
But-
jazz. And when it comes
Actions speak
Yeah.
louder than
to
words. So, that's true.
I don't like this type of people at all. Not in friends. I genuinely don't like this type
In general,
of
people.
हाँ,
हाँ.
I don't like this type.
अच्छा ये बताओ, one type of friendship you think will last, मतलब will last longer. ऐसी क्या क्वालिटी होती है इन फ्रेंडशिप्स तो तुम्हें लगता है कि अगर ये है then it will last?
देखो, जैसे कि मैंने जैसे बोला ना कि एक मैं वर्ड यूज़ करती हूँ हमेशा कि लॉयल. लोग इसको एज अ वो यूज़ करते हैं कि इन रिलेशनशिप और ऑल दैट जैज में ही लॉयल हो एंड ये सब, बट नहीं. मेरे लिए फ्रेंडशिप में लॉयल्टी ये एक ना, मैं इसको एक ऐसा बोलती हूँ कि अगर सामने वाला तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ पिचिंग कर रहा है या समथिंग लाइक दैट, और अगर इफ ही और शी इज बिचिंग विद मी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन दैट बिकॉज यू आर माई फ्रेंड. तो ये भी एक लॉयल्टी का पार्ट होता है. और अगर ये है ना फ्रेंडशिप में कि आप सामने वाले से अपने फ्रेंड की बिचिंग भी नहीं सुन सकते, देन इट विल स्टे एज लॉन्ग एज यू वांट.
समझिए, मतलब यू थिंक पीपल शुड स्टैंड अप फॉर यू
हाँ।
जहाँ जहाँ तुम नहीं हो,
Exactly.
उसी को फ्रेंडशिप
उसी को friendship
दैट्स
कहते
ट्रू,
हैं।
हाँ ट्रू।
एंड ये तभी आती है जब आप अपने फ्रेंड से लॉयल हो। अदरवाइज कि ये भी मेरा फ्रेंड है, ये भी मेरा फ्रेंड है, ये भी मेरा फ्रेंड है, तो मैं बोलूंगी ही नहीं किसी के बीच में। तुमको चूज करना होता है हमेशा, हर चीज़ में। आपको लाइफ में हर पार्ट में कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ना होता है और कुछ ना कुछ पिक करना होता है। तो ऐसा ही इंसानों के साथ भी होता है, आपको कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ना पड़ता है, कुछ चीज़ें पिक करनी पड़ती हैं। जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, हमने सारे सब्जेक्ट छोड़ के बायो पिक किया था। देन गाइस वी आर फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट बेसिकली।
नाइस आंसर एक्चुअली। लेकिन फिर वो भी तो है ना कि तुम और क्वालिटीज सिर्फ इससे बेस होके कैसे कर सकते हो?
ये एक बेसिक क्वालिटी है कि अगर
वो
someone
नहीं
is
होना चाहिए।
someone is loyal to you in
But then if that person is not loyal to you and you are too attached to them, फिर
that was something hard in life, then bro, just run off guys from there. Otherwise
run for the hills
हाँ,
जाके, हमें तो ऐसे ही नैनीताल जाने, नैनीताल जाके घर ले लो।
कोर्स किसी से बिट्रैल लेना लाइफ में एक पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे तुम चाहते भी नहीं हो वो चीज़ हुए, तो इससे पहले कि आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि कौन किसको कितना प्रायोरिटाइज करना है लाइफ में। एक फ्रेंडशिप में ये जोन मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बनाना चाहिए
Boundary बनानी चाहिए।
हर इंसान को, कि आपको किससे कितना शेयर करना है, और अगर आपने ओवर शेयर भी कर दिया तो उसको कैसे कोप अप करना है चीज़ों को। आपको सारी चीज़ें सबको नहीं बतानी होती है, क्योंकि कुछ लोग उसको कैसे अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग उसे कैसे कर रहे हैं, वो हर इंसान की अपनी मेंटालिटी पे डिपेंड करता है कि कौन क्या सोचता है उस चीज़, उस पर्सपेक्टिव पे। जैसे कि जस्ट लाइक कि मान लो,
आई अंडरस्टैंड योर
Yeah.
पॉइंट, हाँ
समझ गई,
हाँ।
तो मैं ये कह,
आई थिंक एक क्वालिटी फ्रेंडशिप्स में होनी चाहिए कि स्पेशली इफ योर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस फ्रेंडशिप है, इफ दिस इज ऑब्वियसली फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस फ्रेंड्स, आई फील कि फ्रेंडशिप्स, बिकॉज if they are low maintenance friends, like I think my best friends don't live in the same city as we don't live in the same city anymore, so I think you know, and obviously सबकी अपनी life होती है, सब you know, like you
सबके अपने शेड्यूल्स होते हैं।
you evolve, you know,
Yeah.
like you don't, you know, like you don't grow apart but you evolve in life,
Yeah.
right? So बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं, like even you know, like your cousins, you don't spend every summer vacation together anymore. People grow up, they have lives of their own and everything, but I think the fact that when you meet and when you come together, that doesn't change, and you are not cribbing about the fact that, oh, you didn't call me every week
Yeah.
or every other day or every, you know, like you did not like text me everything that was happening. And you know that there is a comfort ki when you meet, you will share everything and they will share everything, and a topic won't rise
Like
about
why
the
you,
fact that
you are not giving time to me,
why
or
you
all
did
that
not like keep up or keep in touch that often. So I think
yeah, this is same with me.
because
Me
this is
and my
very
best
important, because I'm not somebody who will like call you, or I'm not good with people talking on call. Like I cannot do like 2-hour long calls every day. Like I prefer to sleep in life.
Yeah, same.
Like, yeah, like I don't like, you know, like I'm like,
I'm also not a
more-
call person.
Yeah, even I'm not a call person. Like text is still fine, but call is, I think, too much to, you know, like just spend 2 hours on a call.
Call.
And you know, and then you know, you also have like people around you. You can't really speak about everything, but phone pe bhi rehna hai, so it's
But
difficult, I think.
yeah,
Yeah.
according to me, this is same for me, because me and my best friend are also like facing the same issues.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest, I think, life lessons you learn is that in every phase you make friends,
Yeah,
and then comes the next chapter of your life, and then you have to make an effort to make them stay. Like
Yeah.
for example, like my school friends, the people that I'm friends with from school, I'm not in touch with everybody, and that's fine, because
Same with
some were really mean people that I don't want to be in touch with. But the nice ones that have stayed, you know, I do make an effort to meet them, you know, like if there's something, like if it's their birthday or if it's a festival, like I will text them. Like I don't mind being the first person to make the effort also.
Yeah.
Like I'm fine with that also. But I also feel, but I think there have been friendships in my life which have, you know, like we have like grew apart and we did not speak for like good 3, 4, 5 years, and then we came together again. And then when we came together, we sort of had a discussion about why that drift happened, and then it was done and dusted, you know. So I have had friendships like these also, like with my school. Like I went to an all girls school, and I was a part of a big group, and the group was not really nice, you know, like it, you know, yeah, like the girls were
It
really
is very
mean.
common in girls'
Girls
sections,
school, yeah, exactly. Like girls are really mean, and now when you see like the same people to live a different kind of life, and I'm like, are you the same person? But then obviously you also have to accept the fact that people evolve and grow in life,
Yeah.
and you have to give that benefit of the doubt to the person, right? So yeah. Achha, okay, next thing. What is the one life lesson that a friendship has taught you? Like you're no more friends with the person, but that person taught you something.
नेवर ट्रस्ट एनीवन ब्लाइंडली. लाइक मैंने ये चीज़ ना बहुत लोगों के साथ करी है कि मेरी स्कूल फ्रेंडशिप तो लिटरली ऐसी ही रही हैं कि आई वॉज जस्ट बिट्रेड बाई एवरी वन आउट देयर. सो आई डोंट एंड आई जस्ट ट्रस्टेड पीपल लाइक एनी थिंग. Just tell them my all sort of things and all that jazz which are happening in my life, and they are like, they are just unbothered by those things, and I am like ki, no, they are my friends, they will care about me. And if I'm very disturbing things happen in my school life about the friendships. Like, so that's why I don't want ki anyone just blindly trust on your friends. Never. First test them कि if they are trustable or not. Only then you have to trust, because everyone is not good as you are.
That's true.
Yeah.
मेरे को ये भी लगता है कि the lessons that your friends, like your school friends जो लेसन सिखाते हैं,
वो आप हमेशा लाइफ
टाइम के लिए
यूज करते हो.
वो एक पैम्पलेट या एक पैटर्न हो जाता है. मेरे को लगता है कि
जो लेसन आप एक बार स्कूल फ्रेंड से सीख लेते हो ना, उसके बाद आप कहीं ना कहीं उस बाउंड्री को या उस चीज को हमेशा अप्लाई करते हो कि नहीं, इफ द गर्लीज लाइक ऑल दैट जैज. मतलब भाई क्योंकि आपको फिर इतना हो जाता है ना स्कूल लाइफ में, एवरीवन इज वेरी किडोइश, एवरीवन. एंड
बट यार the fact that you are a kid doesn't give you the access to be mean to people.
To someone, na? So that's why I'm telling
and
na,
girls in school are very mean, मतलब very
very mean, and some are very cunning.
mean भी छोड़ो, like I have had friends जिनके लिए like if I have done something, not done something also, but just the fact that they're selfish. So I think just the fact that I'm not just talking about कि okay, like in my experience, obviously because I went to an all girls school, so the fact that only girls, you were in a co-ed school, exactly. Not just that girls are mean or selfish. I think kids in general are selfish and mean.
Yeah.
And if you are nice to them, they would think as you are like the easy target. Yeah. Like they would assume कि तुम easy target and you
don't behave to being innocent or something like that. Don't be innocent at all. Otherwise everyone is going to just show their colors.
Exactly. Like they will mess you up in some way or the other. That's true.
Even it's just affect your mental state too.
Of course, I think especially if somebody
is giving you some kind of trauma in your childhood, or like in your teens, like 14, 15, 16, you are just in your 8th, 9th, 10th, and you are just getting all that stuff. So you are like in your brain, you are just thinking ki people are going to do this and this to me, if someone is even not going to do so. You just
मतलब वो एक trauma हो
जाता है, and you just think the process कि everyone is going to do this.
मतलब लेकिन ये भी है ना कि तुम जैसे स्कूल में अगर तुम 10 लोगों के साथ फ्रेंड्स हो, तो तुम्हें ये तुम्हें पता ही होना चाहिए कि स्कूल के बाद वो तुम 10 में से सिर्फ एक के साथ ही रहोगे।
बट स्टिल एक कर्टसी होती है, एक वो होता है कि आपको मतलब एक जेन्युइन जो बिहेवियर होता है, आपको भले ही आप एक के साथ फ्रेंड्स हो या फिर सारे 10 लोगों के साथ फ्रेंड्स रहो, मगर स्टिल तुमको एक वो होता है ना कि सामने वाले का बिहेवियर कैसा है, और धीरे धीरे करके तुमसे अजीब बिहेव करना और ये सारी हरकतें करना ताकि तुमको कहीं ना कहीं हर्ट हो या फिर ये सारी चीज़ें, तो वो बहुत ही एक बच्चे के लिए या फिर एक टीन एज वाले इंसान के लिए तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा वो हो जाता है कि
हाँ, स्पेशली व्हेन यू गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे एंड योर
हाँ,
फ्रेंड्स आर योर लाइफ
या
मतलब उसके अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं लाइफ
6 घंटे आप इन्हीं के साथ बिता रहे हैं।
एग्जैक्टली लाइक एंड स्पेशली एंड नॉट जस्ट 6 hours लाइक अगर आप लाइक अब तो कल्चर स्कूल के बाद ट्यूशंस
हाँ,
कोचिंग्स का भी है,
yeah.
सो यू स्पेंड हाफ योर डे विद देम।
या
You basically like in school life you just go home to sleep and eat, like that's it, and otherwise you are with your friends like every minute like of the day. So and then you know like 1 month
but
you are
some
talking
good
with them.
friendship also evolves from the school.
That's the thing, like I don't think like yeah, of course, like my best friends I know
Yeah,
are like we obviously like were in school time when we met, but we are not from the same school.
we are from the same school but we are not from the same section, not same class, even we didn't choose the same subjects. Even our colleges are different, still we are the best friends and I share my everything with her, and she is like, and yes, as you said before na, you guys didn't talk often or like that. We also don't talk often, we didn't doing calls to each other and just texting, nothing like that, but when we meet,
हाँ, तो दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट आई थिंक कि
yeah,
या तो तुम मतलब वही ना कि एवरीथिंग हैज टू साइड्स, या तो तुम उस चीज को लेके बैठ जाओ कि हम रोज बात नहीं कर रहे अब क्या वो, या
हाँ,
फिर तुम
चीजों के साथ अपने आप को मोल्ड कर लो,
इवॉल्व कर लो एंड यू जस्ट एक्सेप्ट कि तुम
वो
रोज
हो नहीं
बात
सकता,
नहीं
possible
कर
नहीं है।
सकते बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली लाइक योर
दोनों की लाइफ डिफरेंट है।
एग्जैक्टली लाइक they have work, you
Yeah.
also have things to do in your life, and you can't obviously like talk to them every day na.
Yeah.
But then I also feel कि not talking at all is also very bad. I was doing that at one point कि कोई बात नहीं हो रही तो, but then that was not good, like
I didn't do it.
yeah, I feel बीच में बात करते रहना चाहिए, you know, like it's not like कि तुम 3 महीने 4 महीने हो गए और बात ही नहीं हुई and it's fine, like it's not fine.
It's not fine.
You need to make an effort, otherwise you will lose the friendship, you know, like obviously like that will happen कि अगर तुम effort नहीं डालोगे you will
So your friendship is not going to last
ultimately
at all.
it will not last.
Yeah.
You know, like no matter how तुमको लग रहा है कि oh that person is my best
It's my
friend,
best
but
friend.
when you are not there for them और तुम उनसे बात नहीं कर रहे, तो how will you make them feel कि they are important in your life too?
Yeah.
You know, so
Just
yeah.
saying is not the important, your action is also important.
Yeah, action speaks
Yeah,
louder
yeah,
than words,
than words.
exactly. So yeah, this brings us to the end of our first episode.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in if you did, and thank you for watching. If you're watching
Till now,
then thank you
just
so much.
leave a comment
Yeah.
which part you like the most,
Yes, you
and
can.
you can also just write what topic you want.
Yeah, actually you can give us
Yeah.
some ideas.
Yes, cause we are just new here, guys. So
Yes, thank you so much. Bye bye.